Hi there. This video aims to give you a very brief run through into creating your own delivery. So we'll start off by going to the delivery and manage delivery screen. We'll add a new delivery where you'll be presented with a whole spread of different options. I'll just give you a quick rundown of the essentials you need to create your own delivery. So we'll start off by naming our delivery. The trigger type determines when this lead will be delivered. So I want this to be delivered as soon as it enters my campaign, which will be automatic, rather than being manually triggered by something else, like an external system. So for campaign, I'm going to choose my example campaign. And for action, I need this to be a generic form post to my buyer system. So this is going to be under direct post. And the remote system is going to be a generic form post. Under URL, this is going to be your buyer's endpoint, so I'm just going to put in something simple right now, but you'd get this information from your buyer. There we go. All this information is optional. Again, optional. This is where you'd add your buyer, your caps, and finally we come to the data mappings. So let's add in a couple of fields. Let's do first name, we'll do last name, and then let's do postcode as well. There we go. So we've got a few fields that our buyer is looking for. They actually want to change the mappings, so we'll address those mappings so they fit what our buyer is looking for. And let's make this zip instead. Now our input fields have been selected, the output fields have been amended, and this is what will go out on our test. So let's scroll down a little bit further until we meet our remote system response section. Now, I'm going to be looking for whatever my buyer says is successful. For the time being, I'm just going to choose as HTTP status 200, but you would tailor this to whatever your buyer tells you is the correct answer, and save. The next step is to test the delivery before we save it. So we'll hit test. Yes, that's fine. Wait for this to process. There we go. So we've got a 1 OK, and it's telling me it's come up as status code 200, which you'll see up here is exactly what we were looking for. So my test was successful, and when I hit save, that will be pushed into the inactive tab, ready for enabling whenever we need it.